Welcome back to another easy tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to make 2 easy flicker effects for your videos. Don't forget to subscribe to never miss any valuable tutorials. Let's start by opening this clip in the Fusion page. Hit Ctrl plus space and search for Flicker Edition. As you can see, we have a working flicker. Now all that you need to do is adjust the settings to your desired look. Here is a side-by-side comparison between the original clip and the flicker effect we added. Now, let's try a different style of flicker. Add a background node like demonstrated, and turn the alpha to 0. Add a keyframe at the starting position, then move 5 frames to the right. Turn the alpha to 1. Move 5 more frames and set it back to 0. Now, follow my steps to loop the blinking effect. And just like that, this flicker will last for the entire clip. It is important to experiment with different spline graphs and find a rhythm you like. Here is me playing around with this. For this example, I'm going to add to the effect by making the headlights of the car glow. Please let me know in the comments what you would like to see in the future for tutorials.